Introduction to Task Prioritization in Microsoft To Do.
Managing your tasks efficiently can be challenging. Microsoft To Do offers features like labels and priorities to help you organize, sort, and focus on what matters most. In this video, we'll compare how using labels versus priority settings can streamline your workflow and make daily planning much easier.
Understanding labels in Microsoft To Do.
Labels, also known as tags, let you add categories or keywords to your tasks. For example, you can label tasks as work, personal, or with specific project names. Labels make it easy to group and filter tasks across different lists, helping you view related items at a glance and stay organized when juggling multiple responsibilities.
Using priorities in Microsoft To Do.
The priority feature allows you to assign importance to each task. You can mark tasks as high, medium, or low priority using the flag icon. This visual cue makes it simple to identify urgent items and address them first. Sorting by priority can also help you concentrate on critical work without feeling overwhelmed by everything on your list.
Comparing labels and priorities.
Labels help classify and group similar tasks, making them perfect for managing categories or projects. Priorities, on the other hand, guide you in deciding which tasks to tackle first. Combining both features gives you a powerful way to filter tasks by context and to focus on the most important actions within those contexts.
Tips for effective task sorting and focus.
For better task management, consider labeling tasks by project or context and using priorities to track urgency. Regularly review your task list, filter by relevant labels, and then sort by priority. This approach ensures you're both organized and focused, leading to more productive and less stressful days with Microsoft To Do.